In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly connect Microsoft Outlook and Google Calendar with automated two-way updates. Let's dive into it. First, open your browser and head over to the Outlook Google Calendar sync page. This tool will be the bridge allowing Outlook and Google Calendar to communicate and update each other seamlessly. Once you're there, you'll next want to install the software on your machine. After the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder and go ahead to install it by following the on-screen instructions. You'll know it's finished installing when you see an icon appear on your desktop or in your Start menu. Next, click on the newly installed program to open it up. You'll be greeted with a configuration window. Look for the Settings option and click on it. This is where you'll be making adjustments to sync your calendars. In this settings window, find the option to add profile and select it. It's essential to have a profile so the sync tool knows which accounts to connect. You'll need to give your profile a name that's meaningful to you, then click add. Once your profile is created, the next step is to click on the default mailbox to configure which email account you're using with Outlook. Make sure you save this setting. After saving the mailbox settings, you'll want to click OK. The program should now be aware of your default mailbox and ready to move on to the next step. Now click on Retrieve Calendars. This action connects to the configured email account and pulls in the calendar data for syncing. When presented with options, ensure to select the calendar you wish to sync, then click on Continue to proceed. You might need to select your email in the list provided, so choose the correct one that's linked to your Google Calendar. Continue to follow the prompts until you're asked to select additional settings. When you see a drop-down or list, go ahead and select the third option, as indicated in your tool. Next, uncheck the boxes next to Disable Deletions and Confirm Deletions. These options allow the tool to automatically manage updates between calendars without constantly prompting you. Move on to adjust the When settings to fit your schedule for automatic syncs that suit your needs, such as hourly or at specific times. Once that's done, be sure to review all your settings by clicking on Check This All, ensuring everything looks good. Now locate the Mapping section in your tool. This option allows you to view the data fields being synchronized between the two services. Select Highlight to see these connections clearly. Finally, review the mapping structure provided. Then click OK to save everything. And there you have it. Your Microsoft Outlook and Google Calendar should now be successfully connected with automated two-way updates.